Hi, my name is Emily, and we're going to learn about motor control and the initiating and planning of how to shoot a ball. This is Chloe. There's Sean. That's Kenzie. Those are lacrosse balls. And that's the net. So, first, we have a nervous system, which is split into two parts. The central nervous system, which involves the brain and the spinal cord, as well as the peripheral nervous system, which controls everything else. There are also voluntary and involuntary movements. Obviously, shooting a ball is a voluntary movement. Our body uses neurons in order to communicate between the body, the brain, the spinal cord, and the rest of the body in order to create these movements. So, the first step is our senses. Our senses involve touch, smell, sight, hearing, and even proprioceptives, which give us our spatial awareness. These neurons are also known as afferent neurons, which pick up the body's receptors. So, in this case, he is looking at the ball. He knows what the ball is. He can also see the net. He is doing a goal-related movement of shooting, but he has to tell his body how to do that. So, these sensory neurons pick up these receptors and travel through the ganglion root into the dorsal part of our spinal cord. From there, the spinal cord then sends the messages to the brain into 4 different regions. These regions include the cerebrum, diencephalon, cerebellum, and brainstem. These are in charge of organizing, planning, and initiating movements. They do so by taking previous memories, past experiences, and relating them to each other. So, Chloe over here has shot a ball before. By picking up this ball, her brain can decide that it's about the same as what she's done before and create that movement. From there, once our body decides to plan and then initiate the movement, the brain will send a motor command down through the spinal cord to the front of the spinal cord and out to the body. These lower body neurons then communicate with our motor unit, which will cause the movement. Now, every time this happens, although these people are pretty talented and have done it many times, we'll use different motor units every time. So, not only is each person's shot unique, but also every time they shoot will be unique as well. The brain is constantly also sending signals back and forth during their shot, which will help them fine-tune, so every time they do a shot, it gets better and better. And that is how we use our nervous system to shoot. Thank you.